Hi guys and welcome to my channel please. So today I thought to plan this video like sitting with you guys. So I usually do this. I plan my groceries like once in a 2 weeks. Every time I do that. But I thought it would be really good if I can sit with you and I can discuss how I plan my groceries. So I'm a huge planner. I love to plan everything in my life. I love to go through my to-do list every day. That's how I am. I love planning everything. So yeah, grocery planning it really make me happy. I enjoy planning groceries, like my food, what I should eat in a week or what I should eat in a day. If I'm planning it, I feel so relaxed. So yeah, so let's just begin with it. So before proceeding with this video, I really wanted to get some heads up about my eating habit. So I'm a Bengali girl. I love authentic Bengali dishes. I love to eat Bengali foods every day. So having কাঁচকলার কোফতা ঝোল, then আলু দিয়ে মাংসের ঝোল, also মাছের কালিয়া. These are the foods that I live in. I don't like having Italian, Chinese, or you can say salads. I don't have fancy food, so this is how I eat. And also the second one is that I don't have dairy products. So it's been more than 2 years that I have gave up on dairy products. So I love to have non-dairy products. I'm used to it now. So I usually have like the coconut milk yogurt that Epigamy has recently launched. But before that, I was having the Good Milk's peanut curd. Along with it, I'll be having oat milk from Good Milk. Again, I can have almond milk, but I don't prefer it because there are a lot of things I've read about it. It's not good for the planet having almond every day. And also there is a soy milk that you can have. But the thing is that, guys, there are a lot of it's a controversial milk. I will say it's a controversial milk, and I try to avoid it. Yeah, I don't have it. This I love oat milk. I will have oat milk every day. So the third one is that I'm 80% vegetarian. Yeah, I know I have fish, chicken, but I don't have it on regular basis, not every day. And also I have a non-veg like fish, let's say, or chicken, let's say, once in twice a week or once a week. I don't prefer to have it every day. So I'm 80% vegetarian. So let's just begin with the planning. So I have got my planner over here. I use it to map my food, or you can say I use it to plan the menus that I should have in a week. I got it from the 9 gram and I use it especially for planning my food. So we are in the month of June, and I'm gonna plan it for the last 2 weeks of this month, like last week of June. So yeah, I am in a nutrition plan. So my nutritionist has given me a diet chart, and I love her a lot. The thing is that she didn't give me any hardcore diet chart. I will say that you have to follow this very strictly or it will go away. It's not like that. She has given me 2 or 3 options, or she has told me like you can change this, like instead of sugar have jaggery powder. So she has given me a little bit of tips to change my food habits. So yeah, so I will open up my diet chart in my phone. So now I will open up my diet chart in my phone, then I'll go through my fridge like whatever vegetable are left over there. I think I have got 3 of veggies left in my fridge, I think so. One is a bottle gourd, the second one is brinjal, and the third one is raw banana. So I'm good to go for the next 2 days, like for the Monday and Tuesday. So I'm filming it in Sunday. So I'm good for the next 2 days, like 22, 23. So I usually plan my like groceries for like 2 weeks. I live alone, so it's very easy to it's very easy to stock up your vegetables or stock up your groceries, it's very easy to do that when you're staying alone, living alone. So I usually go for the next 2 days, like next 2 weeks. So I will be planning today. I'll be planning the groceries, and it will be starting from Wednesday because I'm already good to go for the next 2 days, like 22, 23. So I'm planning this for from 24th of June to 5th of July. So the next 2 weeks, for the next 2 weeks, I am planning my groceries. The third step is that I will go through my last 2 weeks menu that I've prepared, like the last 2 weeks. So I will see what are the dishes that I've prepared in the last 2 weeks, if I want to have it for this week also or not. I'll just go through it because some of the dishes that I have made in the last 2 weeks are really easy. So the first week that starts from 22nd to 28th of June. So as I mentioned, I'm good to go for 22 and 23. So I'll be starting from 24th, like whatever I want to prepare from myself, or 24 to 28th of June. So let's just see what I want. So as I mentioned, I'll be starting from 24th of Wednesday. Let's see what I want to prepare. So as I've already done with the menu, I have prepared whatever I want to have for the next 2 weeks, in which I can see that I have listed non-veg only in the last week. As I mentioned that I have non-veg once in a 2 week. And now I'm gonna note it down, like what are the vegetables or what are the items that I have to purchase. So let's just start with the first week, where I have mentioned like aloo dum, parval is there, aloo I have to, like potato I have to purchase, parval, then I have to got some dal. Yeah, masoor dal. I have to get some masoor dal for the dal pakora curry that I've mentioned. I love it. It's basically dalir bodi, that's what we call, and I just love to put it in any kind of vegetables. So I love to prepare it. So I have to got some masoor dal. Then what? Yeah, I have to got some soy chunks. Then also tofu. I love soya, and soya is really good for if you are going through PCOD. I have mentioned, like I have already done a video on PCOD. I'll just link it over here. You can go and watch it out. So I love to do. I am going through PCOD, and I am consulting a nutritionist for that reason. And she has also mentioned that soybean or soy products are really good. So yeah, I love soybeans. I love the taste of it. But again, I love the milk. I had tried once when I was in the college at my university. I have tried it once, but again, it's very controversial milk product. So it's very controversial milk product. So I tried to avoid it. So I'm just going to note it down, all of it. Let's see. So I will be like noting. I will note it down what are the vegetables in one part. Then I will section it what are the non-vegetable items, like only the like grocery items like soybean, tofu that don't comes under the vegetables or fruits. Again, I love having fruits every day, so I have to list down because my fridge is totally empty of fruits. So I just section it out like vegetables, fruits, as well as non-vegetable fruits item. So let's start with it. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna divide it like vegetables basically. Then it has come with fruits, which I love having it, and others like soybean, which are not come under as vegetable or fruits. So the vegetable part, as now I'll go back to my previous page and I will see what are the vegetables that I have to get. So yeah, as I can see here, I'll write potato, onion, basics, the basics, tomato, again the basic, Now comes the fruits part. So I love to have, first of all, pineapple, but again for the last week I had pineapple, so I'll go for watermelon because it takes a little bit of time to, for me it takes a little bit of time to get over this watermelon or pineapple. Very soon I'll say it at least take me 4 days to complete one watermelon. So yeah, watermelon. Next, I'm really craving mangoes. I'm really craving it. Then apple, the basics again. Banana, again the basic. I love it, I love it. Then I'll go. So as you have seen the preparation that I have done, like separating the vegetables, what are the veggies that I have to get, then fruits that I have to get, and also say non essential, like the not others one, like which are not included in the vegetables or the fruits. So, as I have written biryani and chocolates over there, so I just wanted to give a heads up in that. So, as the pandemic started, I stopped having food from outside. But I can't give on biryani. Biryani is my fave. So, I have seen, I usually order my fruits and vegetables from Super Dairy. So nowadays I'm not going outside to the grocery stores because it's lockdown 1.0, but I can see people are taking it very casual, guys, very casual. They are going out, they are gathering up before the shop like there was nothing happened. There is nothing going on in this world. Like I am really scared of that, and I really don't want to go outside. It's really scared me off when I go outside and I see a bunch of people standing outside the store and they are not giving a damn to the situation. I'm not going outside. I will stay home. So I usually from the past 3 months I'm ordering everything from Super Daily or Amazon Fresh, but I prefer Super Daily. So Super Daily has got a pack for pastas, also biryanis, and I am in love with it. The Kohinoor's one, like they have got Kohinoor Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. It's my favorite. I just love it. So I usually order the biryani pack. I will just keep it at home. Once upon a time, I really wanted to indulge myself into biryani, so I will have it with me. The second one is chocolate. Chocolate, I keep it because I have a very sweet tooth. So sometimes it's really handy to make some cookies or make anything out of it, any dessert out of it. So I will usually order like two of the 20 rupees dairy milk and keep it. I'll just use it only I require it to make anything sweet. So yeah, this is how I prepare my grocery list. Now I will go to the Super Daily app. I love it. It's amazing. They have created this in amazing way. I love Super Daily. It's one day delivery. If I order it today, it definitely gonna arrive tomorrow at morning. Yes, my order usually arrive at 6 a.m. in the morning. If I order it right now, or in the let's say I'm ordering it at 8 p.m. today, it will still arrive at morning 6 a.m. So it's really good. I will order my stuff right now and I'm good to go for the next 2 weeks. Again, I'm not having outside food, not at all. I'm trying to avoid the outside food. I'm making food by myself at home and I've learned a lot of cool dishes, and all the recipes are from my mom. I love, as I mentioned this beginning of this video, that I love authentic Bengali food, so I love to indulge myself into Bengali foods. So yeah, this is how I prepared my grocery list. I hope that it was really helpful for some of you who stays alone or who are like me, who are into planning, preparing everything ahead, time ahead. So if you're like me and you're living alone, this video will definitely be helpful. I hope this video has helped you guys. If so, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, you all stay beautiful and let me know in the comments down below that what are the other videos that you guys want me to make for you. So yeah, bye. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, stay home, stay safe.